Good day, children. Today we are going to continue with our lesson in new unit, Unit 6, Food Please, from your Get Smart Class 3 textbook. You may refer to page 55. For today's lesson, we are going to start off with vocabulary, followed by listen and match and listen and sing a song. Then we are going to learn a grammar, which is some, followed by some simple practices. So we start off with vocabulary. The first one, onions. Onions. The second one, lettuce. Lettuce. Next, chocolate. Chocolate. The next one, biscuits. Biscuits. Next one, sugar. Sugar. Flour. Flour. And the last one, salad. Salad. Now, I would like you to refer to your textbook page 55. Listen and match. Ready?
Activity 1. Listen and match. Then sing. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry, I'm hungry. What can we make? There's some flour in the cupboard, there's some chocolate and some sugar. Let's make some biscuits. Let's make some biscuits. Let's make some biscuits now.
There's some lettuce on the table. There are some tomatoes and some onions. Let's make some salad. Let's make some salad. Let's make some salad now.
Alright, now you have listened to the song. Now we would like to discuss which is the ingredients needed to make biscuits and salad. Now let's look at the second paragraph. There is some flour in the cupboard. So where is the flour? Yes, this is the flour. So the flour is in the cupboard. Very good. Well done. Now the second one. There is some chocolate. So where is the chocolate? The chocolate is also in the cupboard. And the last one, and some sugar. So which one is the sugar? This is the sugar. The last paragraph. There is some lettuce on the table. So where is the lettuce? Very good. There are some tomatoes. So where are the tomatoes? Very good. And there are some onions. So which one are the onions? Well done, children. Now, let's try to listen and sing the song together.
I'm hungry, I'm hungry. What can we make? There's some flour in the cupboard, there's some chocolate and some sugar. Let's make some biscuits. Let's make some biscuits. Let's make some biscuits now.
There's some lettuce on the table. There are some tomatoes and some onions. Let's make some salad. Let's make some salad. Let's make some salad now.
Okay, now we are going to focus on the word some. Now, some is used with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So children, what is countable nouns and what is uncountable nouns? Now we're going to learn together. Countable nouns is known as something that you can count. You can touch, you can feel. Okay? Well, the word plural here means many, more than one. Okay? While for uncountable nouns, it is something that you can see, you can touch, but you cannot count. For example, you cannot count water. You cannot count sugar. So, what are the examples of countable nouns? If you look at the textbook, page 55, tomatoes, onions, eggs, or carrots are countable. You can count how many eggs are on the table or how many tomatoes are on the table. While for uncountable is something that you cannot count. For example, milk, chocolate, sugar, flour, juice, and lettuce. So, how do you use the word some to make a sentence? We start off with countable plural. When I say countable plural, it means something which is many that you can count, right? So, when involve something more than one, we use they are. They are. What about uncountable nouns? If you can see but you cannot count, there is only one item. For example, milk. So, you use there is. There is. For example, for countable, there are some eggs. While for uncountable, there is some sugar. You use the word some before the noun. Right? Now we are going to do some practices using there is some and there are some to form sentence. So, given here, for example, some milk in the fridge. Can you count milk? No, you can't, right? So, milk will be uncountable. When you cannot count means there's only one. So, the answer would be there is. There is some milk in the fridge. Now let's try again for the second question. Some carrots in the fridge. Can you count carrots? Yes, you can, right? So, carrot will be countable nouns, but a lot, right? We call that plural. So we need to use are. There are some carrots in the fridge because you can count and there's a lot of carrots. So for the next few questions, I hope that you can learn to do it yourself as a practice. That's all from me, class. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.